Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check actually first what you do before you start replacing amplifiers or radios and everything else. It's a really common problem in the Traverses from like '07 all the way to 2000, even 15, 16 I guess. What they have designed poorly is those plugs. On mine, these were dry, but the back ones were soaked with water. So what you gotta do, take it out, blow everything out, and then what you do, it's spray some lithium grease. And after you do that, then I'll tell you what to do. Remove one of the door panels and check your speakers, because in this car, all the speakers are blown. And the reason I know that, because it probably happened from the short, and the only thing that works on my car, it's the tweeters, is right here, and your A-pillars. See, look, you turn the radio on, and you can hear very little. And all the other speakers are gone. So I waste a lot of time replacing the amps, they're in your trunk, and checking all this stuff. And then I'm like, you know what? Why don't we try the simplest thing? Because that's what usually works. I pull the door panel on the passenger side, which is pretty simple. If you guys have questions, simply ask me and I can show you how to pull the panel off. And then I disconnected the speaker and plugged a different speaker. Any speakers you can find in your attic, garage, whatever, as long as they're 4 ohms, which is basically that's what's in your car. I mean, try to find like the car speakers, not the house speakers, and hook them up with the 2 wires, and you'll see what happens. If they work, then your speakers are blown, and that's pretty common, especially when you have the tweeters working. But if the tweeters don't work, then most likely all the speakers are gone. That basically happened from having water in those plugs, basically shorted it out.